I don't want anyone to think that there's a money value on my son, because there will never be enough money in this world. Will there be justice? I hope.
New at 6, the mother of a suicidal man shot and killed by Boise police in late October filed a claim against the city, county, and state. Melissa Walton's attorney sent a notice of tort claim to the agencies last month. That's typically the step before filing a lawsuit in court. They asked for $500,000 from each liable agency over her son Zachary Snow's death. On October 27th, Walton called 911 asking police to help Snow, who was threatening suicide while he was in downtown Boise. He died a few days later after police shot him multiple times when they say they perceived a deadly threat. In the claim, Walton's attorney says she doesn't know exactly what happened because the officer-involved shooting is still under investigation and authorities denied her requests for records.
If there's a way to make a difference, if there's a way to get the training and procedures to be adequate so that people are going into situations like this, and again, this is speaking without knowing the details, without knowing exactly what happened, but it seems to me that more can be done. It just seems like there's a disconnect between what society needs and what people need and what law enforcement is able to deliver.
There's no closure. There's no answers to why they did what they did, what caused them to do what they do. And as a mom, you can only sit there and run every scenario through your mind. And you think, did he suffer? Was he in pain? Did he cry out for his mom? And you don't have any way to make your mind stop.
Boise PD's behavioral health response team didn't respond to this mental health call, and Health and Welfare told us neither did its mobile crisis unit. I reached out to BPD today, but they can't comment on pending litigation. 7 Investigates filed multiple public records requests over the last 3 months. We were denied as the Critical Incident Task Force is still investigating what happened. At last check, the case lead was waiting on reports from ISP and the county coroner's office.